Ever felt trapped in 9 to 5 grind, dreaming of financial freedom and pursuing your passion? What if I told you there's a way to earn more, grow personally, and potentially break free from the daily routine? My name is Gadhvi. As you already seen my videos, I'm a founder of Passionpreneur movement, where I help professionals like you to build a profitable business around passion. Today, we are going to deep dive into the world of side hustles. And by the end of this video, you will have the tools and the knowledge to start your own side hustle. So, if you ever dreamt of turning your passion into profit without quitting your day job, stick around and you will see what it unfolds. These are as per my knowledge, and you can choose the one which suits you the best. Number 1, become an online instructor and sell online courses. Number 2, start a blog or a YouTube channel. Number 3, provide freelance services in your area of expertise. Number 4, get paid for taking service product testing. Number 5, resell products online via dropshipping or thrift stores. Number 6, start an e-commerce stores with print-on-demand products. Now, if you have creative skills, starting an online store, selling, printing on-demand products can be a great low investment business idea. With print on demand, you can design your own t-shirts, mugs, bags, stationery, and much more using platforms like Printful, Printify, Gelato, etc. These platforms then print and ship the products directly to the customers when you receive an order. This eliminates the need for you to stock an inventory, and you just simply add your design to products and list them on your Shopify store, ETSY store, and eBay store. Whether an order comes in, the print-on-demand supplier handles printing and shipping. Print on demand makes starting e-commerce business very easy as a side hustle without upfront monetary investment. In minimal time, you can get your side business up and running, and you can add more custom design products as your online store grows. With some graphic designing skills and the smart digital marketing, this can turn into a successful side hustle. Number 7, start a clothing line. Now, launching your own clothing line allows you to blend creativity and business in an incredible, fulfilling way. And with some strategic planning, you can get it off the ground while working 9 to 5. Start by identifying your target demographics and designing the styles tailored specific to them, maintaining a lean startup approach. Minimum inventory by leveraging print on demand until you validate demand. Now, promote your clothing line organically on social media, run contests, and use influencer marketing to raise awareness, right? List your products on handmade markets like ETSY to tap into, existing base of buyers. Now, reinvest revenue into improving your branding, website, product quality, and seek feedback from customers and adjust your design based on real market trends. Now, collaborate with fashion bloggers to gain traction. When you eventually transition into your clothing line full-time, you'll have a solid brand identity and loyal following. But you can lay this foundation without taking high risk. With persistence and consistency, your entrepreneurship side hustle can flourish into a thriving business. Number 8, start a pet setting business. Now, for animal lovers, pet setting and dog walking business can be an eye-opener, enjoyable, and flexible side business idea to pursue along with a full-time job. With a rising number of pet dogs and cats in Indian households, there is a huge demand for pet sitters, especially in urban areas. You can offer services like daily dog walking, pet taxis, overnight pet boarding, vet visits, etc. Right? Register on platform like Pet Backer and Trusted House Sitter to get visibility. You can start with yourself initially and then later on scale by hiring other sitters. Heavy credentials like pet first aid training, certification, and insurance can boost your credibility. Focus on providing genuine care and building trust with pet parents. Offer occasional discounts or first free sessions to get started. Now, pet sitting aligns well with those comfortable with animals and looking for a satisfying side business with minimal startup cost. Now, you can easily fit pet care duties during the morning, evening, or weekend without affecting your regular job. In fact, I have a mentee from Bangalore, Prakash Mohanta, who started a pet boarding business. You know what? He started earning lakhs, and he built 1 crore plus year revenue just from pet. Number 9, start a home-based baking business. Baking cakes, cookies, savory treats, and other delicious treats from your home kitchen can be a great side hustle. You can start small by selling to friends and family members and colleagues word of mouth. As you build your reputation, start listing your bakeries on social media pages and online platforms like Snackable, LBB, etc. Reach out to local cafes if they want to stock your bakes. Offer customized cakes from birthdays, parties, and corporate gifting. Catering to events is also a lucrative avenue once you gain experience and want to scale up operations. You may need to obtain a food license depending on local regulations. But overall, this aligns well as a home-based side business for those passionate, people who are into baking. With smart digital promotion and consistent quality, your home baking side hustle can gain a loyal customer base over time. And who does not love sharing delicious homemade treats? Number 10, become a remote closer. Now there's a cool side hustle that's perfect for working professionals like us, becoming a remote closer. Think about it, companies always need, help in selling the big ticket products or services, right? That's where you come in. Even from a comfort of your home, you can get on a call, chat with a potential client and help them sign the deal or seal the deal. Now you might be wondering, how do I get started? Well, there are a few steps to kickstart this remote closing. Number 1, educate yourself. There are online courses and webinars that teach you the art of closing deals. So invest some time in learning these ropes. Then practice. Before diving in, practice your pitch with friends and family members, get their feedback and refine your approach. Next step, networking. Join online forums or groups related to sales and marketing. They often have job openings or opportunities for remote closers. Next one, freelance platforms. Website like Upwork or Freelancer, often they have listing to have remote sales roles. Create a profile and start bidding on relevant projects. Next, direct outreach. There's a company you admire. Don't hesitate to reach out to them directly. They might be looking for someone just like you. It is like being a salesperson, but you do not have to walk door to door and you can do it from anywhere at the comfort of your home or travel. Plus, commissions can be pretty sweet. So, if you're good with people and can spare a few hours after work or on weekend, this might just be a side gig you've been searching for right now. So now, pursuing a side business along with a full-time requires cleverly balancing your time and effort. Follow these tips to avoid burnouts. Number 1, outsource tasks like social media, web designing, and accounting where possible to save time. Number 2, schedule outside working hours. Be disciplined in scheduling business activities outside of work hours and days. Set limits and stick to them. Number 3, batch similar tasks like content creation, order processing, admin work together to work more efficiently. Number 4, leverage flexibility of being your own boss. Block off time as needed for business during morning, evening, weekends, and holidays. Number 5, utilize small pockets of time. Take advantage of commute time or pockets of time during the days where you can catch up on side business activities. With proper planning and boundaries, you can grow your side hustle steadily while still enjoying personal time. Now, be realistic about what you can handle, ask for help when needed, and don't let your business overtake your life. So there you go. These are the 10 incredible side hustles that can be stepping stones for your life providing you great freedom and fulfillment. But remember, while starting is essential, knowing how to leverage your passion and building a thriving business around it, is a game changer. Now, if you're truly ready to transform your side hustle into a full-time venture and say goodbye to your 9-to-5 grind, or you want to grow your side hustle to a proper business and to a crore or $1 million business, guess what? Learn how to build a business on passion. By the way, I have an exclusive, sessions on how do you build your business on passion. So if you are ready, check out the details, click the link. Your side hustle today can be your main, hustle or main business tomorrow. So click the link and let's help you convert your dreams into reality. This is Gadhvi, founder of Passionpreneur Movement. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed any tips, go ahead and share this video with your friends, your colleagues, your mama, your chacha, tao, your niece and nephews. Let them also start building side hustle, because trust me, living on one stream of income, especially in job, is very, very dangerous. So don't fall in a trap of 9-to-5 and being stuck in one stream of income. This is Gadhvi. Don't be ordinary, be legendary.